Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet points to your product description on Amazon. And in this way, your product description can look much better, exactly like you're seeing on the screen. With these little bullet points showing here, it's much easier to read rather than like this, which is just a plain description, one line of text, and people don't usually read that. So it's much better to do it like that. By saying bullet points in a product description, I'm saying that you can use this kind of circle that you can add to your description as well that looks exactly like in the bullet points on Amazon. All right, so how do you do that? What's the way to do that? So a few ways. First way is down in the description of this video, you're gonna find the symbol of the bullet point, which I'll simply add you there. You can copy it, and once you're gonna be creating your product description on Amazon, you'll simply copy paste it there as you can see, and then you can type a bullet point. For example, easy to clean. Right, you add this thingy, easy to clean, and this will make it show in the description. All right, that's one way if you just copy paste from description. By the way, down in the description, I also include a few services that help you create product descriptions, bullet points, titles, and general listings for Amazon. I'm going to have a few services linked down there for you if you want to use their services and not create it yourself. These are going to be affiliate links, by the way, so if you use them, I'm going to get a little commission from these services, no extra cost to you. This way you can support my free content. So what's the next way to do it if you don't want to copy it from the description here? So the next way to do that is if you're in Windows, you're going to be typing and you're going to click on Alt 0149 at the same time. And this is going to turn kind of the 0149 into the symbol, or Alt 7. This can also work like that. On Mac, it is going to be done by clicking Option 8. You click on Option 8 and it's going to create you the symbol that looks like a bullet. And as you can see, it looks much better here. And now I gotta tell you, if you want to know more tricks about product description on Amazon, I'm gonna have one video appearing here that is gonna have the way to add product images to your description on Amazon. And in the video up here, I'm gonna show you more tricks for creating like bold kind of letters in product descriptions and more things. So click on either of them. And my name is Evan, creator here on YouTube. Please subscribe as well. See ya in the next video. Bye-bye.